As we age, one silent problem slowly creeps up on most of us: muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia. It begins around our 40s, but after 60, it can accelerate, making our legs weaker, our balance unsteady, and our independence harder to maintain. But here's the good news: you can rebuild muscle naturally, even at 60, 70, or beyond. And it can start with something as simple as one spoon before bed. Yes, just one spoon of the right nutrient before bed can help your body repair, rebuild, and maintain strong, healthy muscles overnight when your body is in its natural recovery mode. But before we reveal what that spoon should be, let's understand why muscle loss happens and what foods might be secretly making it worse. Why muscle loss accelerates after 60? After 60, your body naturally produces less growth hormone and less protein synthesis, meaning your muscles don't rebuild as efficiently as before. You could be eating well, yet still losing muscle, because your body simply isn't processing nutrients the same way. But that's not the whole story. Some everyday foods that seem healthy can actually damage your muscle cells and slow recovery. Foods we've been told are fine for decades.
Common foods that damage aging muscles. Let's start with the first silent culprit: refined sugars. Those sweet treats, biscuits, or even low-fat yogurts filled with hidden sugars can spike insulin, trigger inflammation, and make it harder for your muscles to absorb amino acids, the very building blocks of muscle tissue. Next, processed grains like white bread, white rice, and pasta. These strip away nutrients your muscles crave, leaving you with calories but no real nourishment. And here's one that surprises many: vegetable oils like soybean, corn, and sunflower oil. They're often marketed as heart-healthy, but they're packed with omega-6 fats that can increase inflammation, slowing muscle repair and joint recovery.
Visuals, animated contrast, unhealthy foods versus colorful whole foods. Over time, this combination, less protein synthesis plus inflammatory foods, quietly eats away at your muscle fibers, leading to slower movement, weakness, and even balance problems. But here's where things change. You can reverse much of this naturally. And the secret lies in one spoon before bed that supports muscle rebuilding while you sleep.
Open scene. Gentle evening visuals. Soft lamplight. Older adult relaxing with a warm drink. Now that you know what's breaking your muscle strength down, let's talk about what can rebuild it naturally, even while you sleep. The answer lies in one spoon before bed. A spoonful of a powerful muscle-supporting nutrient that helps your body recover overnight. So what is it? It's not a supplement or a fancy powder. It's something you can find right in your kitchen. It's a combination of natural protein plus anti-inflammatory nutrients plus muscle-repairing minerals. And the best source? Greek yogurt mixed with a spoon of honey and a dash of turmeric. One spoon before bed, the muscle rebuilder. Let's break it down. Greek yogurt is packed with casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles all night long. Research shows that consuming casein before bed increases overnight muscle protein synthesis, helping older adults regain strength and reduce age-related muscle loss. Next, honey. It's not just sweet. A small spoon of honey before bed helps regulate blood sugar, supports growth hormone release, and gives your muscles the steady energy they need to repair during deep sleep. And finally, turmeric, the golden spice. It contains curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory compound that reduces muscle soreness and helps your tissues recover faster. Together, this trio becomes a gentle but powerful bedtime muscle tonic.
You don't need much, just one spoon of Greek yogurt with honey and a tiny pinch of turmeric about 30 minutes before bed. It tastes soothing, helps you sleep better, and fuels your muscles for overnight repair.
You'll start noticing small changes. Easier movement when you get up in the morning, better strength in your legs, fewer nighttime leg cramps, and a smoother, more restful sleep. But to make these benefits last, you also need to avoid the foods that break muscle down and add the ones that